In this video, I will show you how to create a lead form in your Facebook Ads Manager so you can then use it for a lead generation campaign. Now, these campaigns are really useful for local businesses who want to gather leads on Facebook and then have a follow-up call where you can offer a complimentary product or service. Okay, so I am inside the business manager. If you don't have a business manager created or you don't know how to create one, I have another video that you can refer to. But in this case, I will only go into creating the campaign so we can take a look at what we need. Okay, so you would create a campaign, and as you can see, you have the different objectives here. We need to pick the leads objective, and as you can see here, it says it's good for instant forms, Messenger and Instagram, and conversions. And we need an instant form, so that's what we're going to be creating today. When you hit continue, you have recommended settings. I will go with manual lead settings, so you can know what to add or remove. So as you know, we have three levels. We have campaign level, ad set level, and ad level. On each different level, we have different settings. Campaign level, it's only basically the name and the category of your campaign, if it's a special category. If it's not, you can leave that blank. Ad set level is the budget and the audience. Those are the most important things. And then on the ad level is where we will create a form. So as you can see, I have one error here, and it's because I don't have a form. So here's where you will create your form. So you need to add your form, and it takes you here, and it says where you want to go. So you would click here on create a form, and then you just fill all these details. For example, your form name, I will put test form. When you go here, this is important because if you leave this setting to the default, which is more volume, you will get a lot of people, but not necessarily people who are interested in your product or service. So I would go with higher intent. Higher intent means people who are more qualified or who could be more interested in what you have to offer. Then on your intro, you can use an image from your ad or an uploaded image. So you would have to upload it here. I don't have an image for this video, but you can totally do it here. And then you have your headline. Your headline is what you want to tell the person who sees your form. So let's say I'm going to be talking about a roofing company. So you can say complimentary roof inspection in the next 48 hours. So that would be something in your headline, and then paragraph, take action before rain season starts and get your new roof on time. Something like that. And then you can have questions. Here you would need to understand, first of all, you are talking about a cold audience, people who probably haven't seen your product or service. So if you add more questions, people will usually take longer and probably skip your ad. So what you can do is you can add one or two qualifying questions. What you have is usually your full name and email. That's the contact information that you would add. You can also add another contact field like the phone, which is usually what you would do for a local business. Your information is 100% secure. So we're not sharing your information. And then you will need to add your privacy policy. You can link this to your website. So in this case, I'm not going to link this, but you need to have a link to your website. and read our privacy policy here. So this is the text for the privacy policy, and then you would have a review screen and a message for leads. And once they've submitted the lead form, that's the message that they will see. So in this case, thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. And you can even add a call to action here. So in this case, you can have a button that says view website, call business, or view file. You can add a downloadable file here, like a lead magnet. So you can put it here and then link it to your PDF or other document that you would like to have them download. So this is important. So let's say we'll say visit website. That's your call to action. And then on visit website, you would add a link here to your website. In this case, I'm not going to add it, but then once you have it like that, you would then create the form. I'm going to save it as a draft for now, but then you would create the form, and this is what people will see when they come to your lead generation campaign. So this is really helpful for local businesses, and I will create the rest of the campaign in another video. So if you find it useful, remember to subscribe to the channel and keep following us for more information on Facebook ads.